Yeah. Pull up, pull up. Captain. Let's go. What's your vector, Victor? Over, under. Roger, roger. Whoa. Whoa. Shh, over. Oops. This is your captain speaking, and on today's flight plan, we have the full frequent flyer collection from Nomad Cosmetics. Shh, over. So keep your tray tables up and your seatbelts fastened while we go through and unbox this collection. Are we ready for takeoff? Bon voyage! This collection is the cutest. I love the sleek packaging, Nomad Air. We've got a face cream, a lip salve, and face mist, and then finally the travel palette. Can we just talk about just full commitment to the theme? Not me, the brand. Clouds, by the way. Bag is actually really good for travel. Like, I just went on a trip, and I wish I would have had this because I would have totally used it. I always support some sort of cause with their collections, and this one they're going to be supporting the Sustainable Travel International and provide carbon offsets with every purchase. Face mist, aircraft inspired. Look at this. Aircraft inspired aluminum packaging that is plastic free, refreshes and revitalizes, antioxidant, rich rosemary water, and moisture attracting sodium PCA. I have been hearing a lot about rose water lately. I saw some video of some dude talking about it. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Don't spray it on the passenger next to you, but that was very refreshing. A face cream, which I love a good face cream. This so reminds me of like the stuff that they handed out this one time. Once I went in first class and they had like a little kit that they just gave you. That's what this reminds me of. Whoa, that looks very nice. Almost like a gel kind of consistency. I don't smell anything. Weightless hydration cream that blends replenishing shea butter and jojoba oil with moisture locking sodium hyaluronate and dimethicone. Extra large, 100 mils. If you're a person that isn't into, you know, like perfumey smells. Let's see. I can't put it on my face because I have makeup on. That does feel good. A little bit goes a long way. Let's spread it out. But that is a lot of product. Not like greasy or anything crazy. Okay, the salve. I'm so excited about this one because my lips are always chapped. Rosehip, cottonseed, jojoba seed oils with soothing sea berry fruit and camellia flower extracts to soothe and protect. It does have a scent. Very light though. Let's get up in that. Oh yeah. I will use this for show. Finally, the travel palette. 3 mattes, 3 shimmers, slim portable case with a mirror, perfect for travel. Ooh, 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 ooh. I just made a video about what I took on my trip. And I had different palettes because there were different colors that I wanted from different palettes. This has all of them. Look at that. Perfect palette for travel. I always love how they do the embossing. Let's look at the names. Let's take off, up, up, and away. Fly the skies, find your wings, follow the sun, see the world. I love it. Thank you, Nomad Cosmetics, so much. I can't wait to try all of this out. I've got lots of fun videos coming to you, so make sure you follow along. My name is Amber Wood, over 40 Makeup Mom. Thanks for watching. Bye. Let's go. Time for the next flight. To the clouds we go.